turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using multi-grip pliers, compress the two ends of the hose clamp to free it from its hold. Then move it back along the air inlet conduit. Repeat the operation on the inlet conduit to remove it. Remove the flexible breather hose located on the back of the flange. This can be done by pulling on it carefully. Take the airbox in your hands and remove it completely, pulling it upwards. It should separate from the inlet conduit on its own. Turn it around so that you can access the holding screws on the air filter flange. Then unscrew them using a crosshead screwdriver. Before being able to access the air filter, you must free the flange by levering it off the two holding tabs on the side of the airbox with a screwdriver. Finally, put on the two tabs of the other side to open the flange. Take out the filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new filter in place, paying close attention to the way you put it in. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. This will allow you to put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back, matching the location of the four tabs. Then, press all of it between your hands to clip the two parts together. Put the crosshead screws back. Be careful to not overdo the tightening. You could damage the plastic. Insert the airbox into its housing, separating the two conduits. Then clip them in by pushing down. Reconnect the flexible breather hose. Then reattach the inlet conduit. And finally, the air inlet conduit. Using multi-grip pliers, put the hose clamps back to hold the two air inlet conduits. Operation completed.